We've all heard about the perils of smoking and the addictive nature of nicotine. If you're trying to kick this addiction, you know that overcoming those relentless cravings can be a real challenge. But what if we told you there are healthy ways to deal with them? Before we go into this, you must understand what triggers your cravings. Is it stress, boredom, social situations, or something else? Identifying triggers allows you to prepare and choose healthier alternatives when cravings strike. Here are a few ways you can redirect those cigarette cravings and take a step towards a healthier, smoke-free life. 1. Exercise your way to a smoke-free life. Exercise is an incredible way to channel your energy and boost your mood, making it a perfect replacement for cigarette cravings. Engage in activities like jogging, swimming, or yoga. Regular exercise not only reduces the urge to smoke, but also improves your overall health and well-being. 2. Chewing gum, a nicotine replacement. One common habit smokers have is oral fixation. Chewing sugar-free gum can help satisfy this craving, providing a healthy distraction and a dose of minty freshness. Keep a pack of gum handy and pop a piece in your mouth whenever you feel the urge to smoke. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking water is an effective way to curb cravings. It keeps your mouth and hands busy and helps flush out toxins from your body. Aim to carry a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated wherever you go. 4. Mindful breathing and meditation. Deep breathing and meditation techniques can help you relax and manage stress, one of the most common triggers for smoking. When cravings hit, take a few minutes to focus on your breath and clear your mind. Apps like Calm and Headspace offer guided sessions to assist you in this process. 5. Find a support system. Quitting smoking is a journey best taken with others. Join a support group or lean on friends and family who can encourage you when cravings strike. Sometimes, a friendly chat or a distraction can be all it takes to overcome cravings. 6. Distract yourself. When cravings are particularly strong, distract yourself by engaging in an activity that captures your attention. Whether it's reading a book, working on a puzzle, or tackling a creative project, redirect your focus away from smoking. 7. Set goals and reward yourself. Set milestones for your journey to a smoke-free life and reward yourself when you reach them. Celebrate your achievements with treats like a movie night, a spa day, or a weekend getaway. Positive reinforcement can be a powerful motivator. In conclusion, quitting smoking is a significant achievement, and finding ways to deal with your cravings is a crucial part of the journey. Remember that it's normal to have cravings, but by understanding your triggers and adopting healthier alternatives like exercise, chewing gum, sipping water, and practicing mindfulness, you can pave the way to a smoke-free life. With determination, support, and the right strategies, you can break free from the grip of nicotine and embrace a healthier, happier you. So start today, and let's tackle those cravings and lead you to a brighter, smoke-free future.